right here is eroding. So there's no clear right here. This is exposed base coat. You got clear coat here. It doesn't matter. Can you see the difference in the refraction? Right here it's not as shiny. Here it's way shinier because this is exposed base coat. If your paint job looks ugly, don't wax it, fix it. With Lukat Fix it. This right here, you can make it look beautiful by cleaning. Look at this over here. This is a peeling clear coat. We got the eroding clear coat. We got the peeling clear coat. You can restore your paint job by cleaning it, making it look 10 times better than what it is. If you're driving around with an ugly paint job, you can use this to fix the paint. So check this out. I'm gonna do 2 spots on this hood. I want to show you guys something. A lot of clear coats are gonna peel. Some are gonna erode. Some will spider web. Some will turn all white and hazy and stuff. Clean them with this. Now I'm gonna do spots. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do a spot right here. Okay, there's still clear coat right here. So I'm gonna put this on here like this. Now look at the tab. You're not gonna see any paint coming off because I'm cleaning the clear coat right here. Now you don't want to use this like wax because there's no wax in it. This is a cleaner. You rub back and forth. You don't have to rub hard. Just clean because it cleans from the surface down. No clear coat came off. It's on there. Look at this beautiful color. Now that's beautiful, but there's no shine. Okay, that's the original state of the paint job. We're gonna seal it right now, but now I'm gonna do a spot over here. This is where the clear coat came off. This is exposed base coat. When I did this spot, there's no color coming off. Right here, you're gonna see color coming off because we're working directly on the base coat. So when you put this on, you do the exact same thing. You rub back and forth. This is gonna clean it up. You're gonna use this to remove the buildup, the contamination and oxidation, but you're not gonna carve through the exposed base coat. See the color? Okay, so now this is clean, but not waxed. Okay, so use this to clean this stuff off like that. Use this to get this off to make it look like that. It's a cleaner, not a wax. Now, this is a sealer. It's called Easy Wax. If you buy Shine and Pop wax for Shine and Pop, good. But this one right here, clean, seals, and protects. This one you want to put it on because it's going to revitalize that clear coat and seal it and protect it. So you can use this on the clear coat, the exposed base coat. It's going to hold the shine. It's going to look beautiful for years. Do the circles like this and let it dry. So the cleaner removes the buildup, the wax seals and protects the shine. Remember, I don't sell wax here. These are cleaners. So now that I cleaned it and sealed it, look how beautiful and uniform that comes out. See, everybody will always show you an awesome wax on a brand new car. This one is oxidized. It's eroding, and we cleaned it up, brought it back to life. So these right here, Lukat Fix it. Get your kit today at lukatdetail.com. Fix your paint job. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution.